Lord Ganesha is known as the god of wisdom, literature, and worldly success. He is known as the eldest son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. Once, when goddess Parvati was taking a bath along with her friends in her palace, Lord Shiva arrived inside the palace without any notice. Goddess Parvati became very angry with Lord Shiva. Goddess Parvati then decided to create a child of her own to guard the entrance of her palace. She scraped some dirt from her body and shaped it into a beautiful boy, instructing him not to allow anyone inside the palace without her permission. Once, when Lord Shiva tried to enter the palace, he was stopped at the entrance by the boy. Lord Shiva was enraged beyond control and they broke into a fight. And in a fit of rage, he slashed the head of the child with his trishul. The sounds of the fight reached Parvati's ears. She came to the door and her eyes fell on the boy's still form. She was very angry at Lord Shiva for what it happened. Lord Shiva wanted to make it up to Parvati and decided to put life back into the child by putting the head of the first sleeping creature that came in sight lying with its head to the north. He sent his Ganas to go in the search of creature. The Ganas who went in search of the creature found an elephant sleeping in the northern direction and brought its head to the Mount Kailash. Lord Shiva recreated his son with the head of the elephant and blessed the child that he will be known as Ganesha. Ganesha, the leader of the Ganas, and he will also be known as the remover of all obstacles and will be worshipped first at the start of all ceremonies.